Now let's we discuss about types of overhead service line. Welcome to the playlist of electrical estimation and costing. Now it's a module 3 continuation part. Okay. Now let's we discuss about types of overhead service lines. In the types of overhead service lines, we have four types majorly. Now let's we discuss the first one, that is nothing but for I roof building. In the overhead service line, we have four types. In the first one is for I roof building. We are going to use this type of overhead service line. Here wire is connected to the gable, that is nothing but a one type of rod. Okay, and service bracket is enabled embedded to the wall, that is nothing but service bracket is nothing it's like a iron. Okay, it will going to attach to the wall. Service bracket is made up of mild steel. Pin or socket type insulator are fitted on wall bracket. You know what is the type of pin insulator that will going to fitted on the wall bracket. A number of insulator fitted according to the depending upon the number of faces. Okay, now let's see the picture. This is nothing but a wall. This triangular type diagram is nothing but a wall, and then this is nothing but a service bracket, iron steel, sorry, what, mild steel. And then here they are going to use pin type insulator. Face and neutral will going to tie to the this pin type insulator. Here they are going to use one type of GI pipe. Okay, and then for the connection for holding, they are going to use some clamps, and weatherproof cable they are going to insert it to the meter through connected to the weatherproof cable is connected to the meter through this GI pipe. Okay, vertical distance between two insulator is 35 centimeter. Vertical distance between two insulator is 35 centimeter. Horizontal distance between two insulator is 30 centimeter. Okay, phase and neutral wire connected through insulator. Of course, waterproof cable connected to hood batten or GI pipe. Okay, yes. Now let's move on to the for low roof or single stored building. For low roof, one store building, one single floor building. Okay, low height buildings. It is for low height building. Here, service bracket cannot be fixed directly on the wall. Use of roof pole. They are going to use roof pole or GI pipe. Height of roof pole should not be more than 3 meters for balancing tensile strength. Roof pole or GI clamps on the wall where the service cable pass through this. Okay, this type of diagram. They are not going to use bracket, service bracket directly. They are going to use one type of pole, and then they are going to use an service bracket here, one service bracket two. For service each circuit service bracket, they are going to connect one pin insulator, one pin for first pin insulator. They are going to connect one face, another neutral is connected to another pin insulator. This is nothing but a bracing rope, junction head or pot head for the service pole, that is nothing but this potted will going to protect the pole from moisture content or rain. This is the roof pole. This is nothing but a brace rope. Okay, yes. Now let's understand another third one, that is nothing but a weatherproof cable method. Here directly we can understand, here they are going to use weatherproof cable. Here 8 SWG GI pipe is used. Here GI pipe is used, 8 SWG, and then 8 SWG GI wire is stretched from the service pole to I screw bolt fixed into the wall at the suitable height. Of course, here they are going to use weatherproof cable from this high bolt to this high bolt. Okay, and then the weatherproof PVC cable is brought to the building by clipping to the GI wire stretched between service pole and building, carried to the service board as usual. GI conduit, wooden batten, HG conduit can be used here for bringing PVC cable. They are going to use conduit type of meter board and other things. Okay, I hope all of you understand what you mean by weatherproof cable. Directly understand, here they are going to use weatherproof PVC or weatherproof cable. Here service pole GI wire. GI wire is like it will go to give mechanical protection from the mechanical protection for this weatherproof cable. I hope all of you clear. Okay, now let's we discuss another one type, use of junction box or joint box. Here they are going to connection from one house to another house. They are going to use junction box here. From this junction box, directly phase and neutral is connected to middle junction box. From this junction box, I'm going to connect to the home 1, home 2, home 3, home 4. Okay. Now there are multiple types of merits are available are there for overhead service main. Identifying the fault location is easy. Why? Because we can able to see the overhead service main. Cheap and cost effective. It is easy to draw service cable. Another demerits also there. The ugly appearance. Space is affected. Problem due to branches of tree, lightning surges, birds, storms, wind. So these are all the demerits. Okay. Why ugly? Because we will go to see the wires, a lot of wires in the streets. Space is affected, of course. Problem due to branches of tree. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ರೆ, ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿಡಿಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಅದು disadvantages. Okay, now let's understand what you mean by underground cable service connection. Here cables are we are going to erect to the underground. Use of underground cable is usually made for service connection when the power to be supplied to the consumer is large, thickly populated ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Power supply above 25 kilo ohm, then only we are going to use this underground cable. But nowadays almost all the houses we will going to use this type of UG cable service connection. For installation of underground cable service connection, a cable service connection, a cable box is of suitable size is fitted to the service pole. Of course, we are going to use cable box in order to connect the phase and neutral. Size of cable box is nothing but 16 mm into 50 mm. First, along the pole is grounded, a pole to ground, then it is trench lastly vertically along the wall to the second cable box. First pole ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪೈಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಚ್ ನ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಅನದರ್ ಪೋಲ್ ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವೈರ್ಸ್ ನ. ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ GI ಪೈಪ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ GI ಪೈಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ? ಪೋಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು, ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು in order to protect the mechanical injury. Okay, finally it reaches to the meter board vertically. All of you observe here the picture. Here all of you observe RYB, earth neutral. Shackle insulator they are going to use, and then from this shackle insulator I want only RYB ground, and then here this is nothing but a potted is nothing but it will going to avoid the rain water to enter this pipe. GI pipe they are going to use earth wire, and then through this underground pipe they are going to extract the wires, and then this is nothing but a GI pipe at home side, meter box, consumer premises. Okay, this is also another type of diagram. You can refer any diagram here. Here 1 is nothing but a service pole, and then 2 is nothing but a pot head, and then 3 is nothing but a conductor, and then 4 is nothing but a conduit, whether it may be GI or PVC. 5th is nothing but bend. 6 is nothing but wall. MB 7 is nothing but what? 7 is nothing but meter board. 8 is nothing but clamps. Okay, this is the another diagram. Okay. Here there are multiple types of advantages and disadvantages also available in the UG service system. Public safety is advantage, good appearance is advantage, save of space is advantage. Demerits is require more time for erection and commissioning. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ more time ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Identification of faulty location is difficulty. Okay. This much is enough for this class. Now let's we solve some problems on some overhead service main and underground service main in the future videos. Okay.